My 100-pound weight loss, I was meal prepping on a budget, so let's make a 5-day meal prep for $31.
5 pounds of russet potatoes, $3.34. We're gonna start peeling our potatoes. And yes, you can have potatoes on a deficit. They're actually not that high in calories. Now we're just gonna keep up with the potatoes. We're gonna add our seasonings. Lots of paprika because I don't want this to be pale like me. And just a tiny bit of black pepper. I'm gonna give this a good mix. Add to a baking sheet. Now I'm just gonna bake these at 425 for about 30 to 40 minutes. 2 pounds of lean ground beef, $16.47.
To a hot skillet, we're going to add the ground beef.
Taco seasoning, 47 cents.
We're going to add in our taco seasoning and mix it in. We're going to let it fully cook.
A bag of tomatoes, $3.76. 1 white onion, $1.65. Fresh cilantro, 67 cents.
To make our pico de gallo, we're going to add in chopped tomatoes, onions, cilantro.
2 limes, 25 cents each.
I'm going to add lime juice and season with salt and garlic powder.
8 ounces of light sour cream, $1.64. A can of chipotle sauce, $1.13.
To make our chipotle sauce, we're going to add 3 heaping tablespoons of light sour cream, 2 tablespoons of chipotle sauce, garlic powder, salt, and a little bit of water to loosen it up.
Everything's all set, so I'm just going to put my potatoes in the containers. Ground beef, some pico, a bag of taco blend cheese, $1.97. I'm just going to top it with a little bit of cheese and some of that chipotle sauce. And now we just cover these babies up and refrigerate. You can still be in a deficit and have food that you actually enjoy.